Hi there, I'm Vinicius Rodrigues, a member of Doxign University team, and welcome to one more trainer tip. In this video, I'm going to talk about a feature called Electronic Seal. If you are a member of a legal team, or if you'd like to add even more security to your transactions, I would recommend you to watch this video. Let's get started. I'd like to start with an overview of Electronic Seal to help you learn more about this feature. Seal can be considered an automatic electronic signature that is attached to your document. It can be either visually or simply added to your signed PDF files. You can have both electronic seals and electronic signatures in the same envelope, but they are different things. Only natural persons can use electronic signatures to sign documents, such as contracts or applications. Now, electronic seals can be used to represent an organization, a specific department, or a designated role within the organization. This can be seen as a company stamp, which shows evidence of origin and integrity of the documents. Legal person seals, on the other hand, are applied by a natural person acting in their official role within the organization. Electronic seals can be used in different scenarios. For example, to certify the origin of the paychecks, indicate that an organization's legal team approved a contract, or add a company's visual representation to documents. First, you need to know there are different types of seals. The basic seals and the legal person seals types are recommended for agreements requiring a lower level of trust, since they can be used by users and/or groups, and may have some visual representation in the document. However, we know that some types of agreements require a higher level of security, so you can choose the Advanced eSeals. It has a connection to eIDAS, and its certification is included in the Adobe Approved Trust list, allowing it to be natively validated in PDF readers such as Acrobat PDF Reader. Additionally, you can apply eSeal at different moments of your agreement. For example, as you can see in the first image, you can apply the seal directly to a document. On the second and third images, you can see the seal being applied before or after sending a document to a recipient for signature. And on the last image, you can require a signature, an approval step, and then apply the seal. Now let's go through a quick demo. To enable this feature on your account, we recommend that you reach out to your account executive or our customer support team. Currently, we offer an onboarding process to customers, generating your seal certificates and enable them in your account. Once enabled, you, as an administrator, will see a new option on your signature admin page called Electronic Seals. On this page, you can assign users and/or groups, allowing their use. If you have the legal person seal, assigning your users is mandatory to ensure only authorized users can access the individual seals. If you prefer, you can also manage your electronic seals directly in groups. Once your user has an eSeal linked, you can now create your envelope. To add a seal to your agreement, simply click on the Add Electronic Seal button. Note that clicking on this button will automatically enable the signing order. Continue filling your envelope as normal. Optionally, if you want your document to have a graphic representation of your eSeal, simply select the seal in the recipient list, then select Seal Fields and add the seal image field on your envelope. Now just click on Send. It's that simple, no? The envelope will follow the order of the recipient. As soon as it's the CEO's turn, it will automatically apply the seal to the document and will continue the workflow if there are more signers. Once the envelope is completed, you will be able to check the eSeal signature. To do this, just simply download the document separately. Now, open this PDF file in your favorite PDF viewer and check the signature section. The seal details will be available for you to check anytime. There are other possibilities to view seal information directly from DocuSign, such as through the Envelope Details view, Envelope History, or directly through the Certification of Completion. I hope this overview has clarified a little more about electronic seals. For more product knowledge and trainership just like this one, register in one of our many instructor-led trainings available at DocuSign University at dscustomers.docusign.com, including live sessions in English. I hope to see you soon. Bye.